Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am working on a project today and I'm going to bring you along. How fun. So what I'm working on is my green bean trellis, and I've talked about that before. I'll go over that a little bit as I'm putting it together and show you. I don't know if my idea is going to work or not. Um, but sometimes you just have to, I see it and I visualize it. Um, I've just got to put it up and see if it does. Made it home. I'm out in the backyard, and on this side over here is where I'm putting the green beans. I've showed you this in earlier videos, but I want to show you what I'm doing and what I'm kind of experimenting with, and hopefully this works. If it doesn't, I'll have to think of something else. But let me show you what I got and what my thoughts are. So this is the green bean bed, and I'll have some peppers over here too, like I did last year. You're going to get a shadow here in a minute. Sorry about that, but that is what it is. So if you remember from previous video, I had the trellis here. It was like fastened to this. So it was like about 3 inches from the fence. So what I've done is on the bottom here, I've put fencing nails in here to hold this. Didn't pound them all the way tight, so it will pivot and lay down. And then I have moved this out. So I got a lot more room in there for the air to come in. And then what my plan is to put, let me get this here, is to attach this here. I'll screw that into the bottom there with multiple screws. And then another thing I'm repurposing, I have this pole right here that it's actually a pole. I didn't put it up this year, but it's a pole that I use for a Christmas tree in the front yard, a light tree. And so I just take it apart, put it in the back. So I'm going to repurpose that for this purpose at this point. And then by the time Christmas comes around again, if I decide to put that tree up, I have it for that. So I'll use that here. And so I will be putting, I don't know, I kind of show you. I guess I can just get busy with it. Well, I got the thing up, and I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to show it to you now, and I've got more screws to put in the boards and more zip ties to put on and stuff in order to get it completed, but it's done enough now that I can see what it's going to look like, and so can you. The purpose of changing the way I had the trellis up there was, like I said earlier, I didn't have enough space between the fence and the trellis, and it gets really hot on this side. It gets, mid-morning sun at the latest, and then it gets all late afternoon sun. So it gets really hot against this fence. And so what I've done is I've actually increased the space down here on the bottom part I've increased it by 3 inches. And then from there, we just arc away from the fence. And so it's going to give it plenty of room to grow. And another thing that's going to be cool about it, I think, is those beans should grow down on this side here. So it'll be easier to pick. The beans will be hanging down, easier to see, I believe. So yeah, and I don't think I'm going to need a center post. I did get a bolt in the pipe where it goes. I will put zip ties on across this thing here to secure it to the post, and I don't think I'm going to need it. If I see that the post is starting to sag or something, I'll put some in, but I don't think I will. So, you know, the other thing is on here on the end posts, I just have a screw in there right now holding the pole up. I bought some clips today. I had the right ones in my hand, and I thought they looked too big for the pipe, and I put it back. Ends up they were the correct ones, so I need to go change those out. It turned out really nice. I think it's going to be cool. It's going to work really well. I might, I'll probably put a little bit of paint on these just to dull them up a little bit, so they're not sticking out so bright. But yeah, that's pretty good. Let me get up here on my step stool, and if I can turn you around. The thing's following me. There we go. Get on the step stool. I don't think I'm going to need a center support. If I need anything, it would be going back to the fence over there, maybe to keep it from coming forward. But I'll figure that out as we go along. If I need it, it's not a big deal to put it in. I won't need it for quite some time. I know that for a fact. So it makes it easier to work in the garden if I don't have that center post here. But I'll make it work. I'll do what I need to do to make that work. And yeah, happy with the way it turned out. Appreciate you guys coming. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe. You can do that right up here on this, right on that roof right there. As always, I really appreciate you guys a lot. I do. And thank you so much. See you on the next one. See ya.